Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Thursday, January the 7th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. The link to the free room. Yes, it is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I am live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a link to my homepage. My homepage has a lot of information on it, including how to take out a subscription with a promo code, the trade of the week that you can sign up for, all the scans that I'm sharing, and also a lot of education links, including the one I really like, especially for starting out, the 20 short lessons. Wow. Well, what a morning for me, actually. So if you were in the room yesterday, I mean, you know that the market was doing this. I mean, I'm looking at Mara as a stock, but the market was basically doing this. And then, of course, we had the situation at the Capitol building in the States, and the market just took a bit of a header in the last, that started just around 2:15, I guess. Anyway, Mara is something, of course, this is all Bitcoin related, and of course, Bitcoin has been going absolutely crazy. And so this is a stock that I have traded a couple of times, well, a few times actually in the past. I actually held for a mini swing, and I got out right around underneath 10, and have watched it in dismay, moving from 10 to 16. Bottom line is, I like the way Bitcoin was trading. I decided to take some, and so I got into this one right here around 1701, and I wake up this morning to this. And I've taken some out just underneath 20, and I still have some. I mean, what a move. So I'm in at 17, and then now it's at 23. I did take out some just under 20, just in case. But I mean, GBTC, which is one of the ETF that I use from Bitcoin. I mean, look at the move. Look at this month move. 1, 2, 3. I mean, 4. This is only 7 days into this month. What an incredible move. But this stock, Mara, actually, I mean, that looks like a great move. This stock is actually, on a percentage basis, has moved way more than Bitcoin has done. So anyway, that is that one. I also did XNet. Now, again, if you've been in the room for a long time, you know that this one, we were looking to get into this one in this area here. Now, it's because one of our really good customers in the room, GKK, he sort of told us, said, you guys, you should be looking at Mara. This is when it was about a $2 to $3 stock. And then he got out around 10, and he said he was focusing his efforts on XNet, which is another crypto play. But it just really didn't do anything. I actually traded it a couple of times, but it really didn't do anything. Remember what crypto was doing during this time period. It was doing this. So anyway, bottom line is that finally yesterday it broke out. And on some volume. I mean, there's the volume yesterday. Look at the volume today. But you can see that little volume bar yesterday. It's bigger than that one, and maybe it's about the same as that one. But finally, it started to move. And so the same thing, though, I was all excited to get into it right around here because, there's the move. This is on a 15-minute chart. Look at the volume bar. But then again, what happened at the Capitol building in the States, this started to move down. Virtually every stock did that. But I persisted, and I ended up taking this trade right here at 356. And I sold a lot around this 434 mark. Still have a little bit left. I want to see if it can continue. It's choppy, but I mean, this is not a day trade. This is hopefully if Bitcoin keeps moving higher and higher, I can't really lose. It would have to. I mean, I'm in here. I've already taken a decent profit up here, so I really can't lose. I have to show you my watch list today. So there's XNet actually, 444. You see, there's the blue arrow. That's the candle that happened on. So I mean, it got up to 583. This is the one I was a little disappointed in. It didn't move. This is sort of a late entry as a crypto play. You saw the action it had after hours. It was pretty decent this morning. This is the pre-market action. Popped way up here. If you look at I think what happened here, you have to take a look at. Yeah, I had to go back. Or maybe it's been adjusted. Ah, they've made the adjustment. Okay, because I think what happened is that this was another company back in 2012 with the same symbol, SOS, and then it stopped trading as SOS in 2012, and now here it is. So they made that adjustment because this morning I saw a big, like it looked like it was consolidating for a long time, but that was just because it was a symbol name change. And anyway, bottom line is it didn't work. 407, it never really worked. This is the one, guys. I said in the pre-market, keep an eye on this triple D. So what they did is they pre-announced their earnings and guided extremely well. If I can believe these numbers they talk about, that they were looking for 139 million and they're going to do, I don't know, between 174 and 240 million. So that is an unbelievable move. And look where the alert was. Now it has had a big pullback now. And I know some in the room I know are short now, but look at the move, 1469, almost straight up, 1469, almost over a $10 move straight up. I mean, a little bit of a jog here, but again, from my watch list. U.S. steel from yesterday, 2185, didn't quite. I mean, look what a move it was. Again, a lot of stocks did that when the Capitol building news came out. But it still looked pretty good. It did get up to 2240, so not bad from 2150. I don't know if this one moved at all to 265. It's still hanging around there. Look at my Mara, 2058, sitting at 20, gets as high as 24, almost a $4 move. This is another one that had a big move. 697 was the alert right down here, and it got up to 854. I actually did trade this one. I got in around right here, 727, and unfortunately that move down got me out. I did trade some right up here at 760, 765, but then that move starting down got me out. If that hadn't happened, I would have still, I would have traded some out, but I would have been at least able to hold on to this move. But anyway, and then the last one, Tutor Perini, even this one, look at this, 1659, 1712. So my watch list has been a star today. If you want to follow along on my watch list from the toolbar, click on New and Channel Bar and then My Watch List, okay? And I have a new watch list every day. There are some carryovers. I'll take a look at, like these are the ones that have triggered from my watch list today. In my watch list, I probably have 30 symbols. So these are the ones that have triggered. So what I do is, once the market closes, I'll take a look at every symbol in the watch list and I'll see, do I think I should be carrying it forward again? And then I have a lot of other scans that I look at, and that goes to create the watch list that you'll see for tomorrow. So I definitely want to get back into the room and maybe take a look at that Tutor Perini. Okay, how do I get out of this? Second here. There we go. Oops. Okay, I'm jumping the gun. Okay, guys, I'm jumping the gun in all this. This is my other monitor that I've got going. Okay, guys. So again, any questions? Use that email address, info@trade-ids.com. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Hope to see you then. Bye bye.